Recovery Coaching Redefined. Say what? If you're asking yourself, what the heck is a recovery coach and what does it mean when it's redefined? Then this video is for you. Because who said recovery can't be fun and who said sober life has to be boring? I didn't, and it shouldn't be you either. I'm Lesli Etzel, and let's just get this out there. I am not your typical recovery coach. That's the whole point. And actually, I'm not your typical anything. For years, alcohol ran my life and I let it. I hit my breaking point. I got sober at 50. Yes, 50. And I started rebuilding my life from absolutely ground zero. And when I looked around the recovery world, I thought, where's the after party? Where's the life after the meetings? I mean, there's incredible programs out there. Don't get me wrong. They're all incredible, but no one was teaching you how to thrive. No one was talking about how to fall in love with your life again. And that's why I coined the term Recovery Coaching Redefined, because recovery isn't just about not drinking. It's about rediscovering who you are, rebuilding your confidence, setting your boundaries, and actually enjoying this new chapter of your life in sobriety. So, what does Recovery Coaching Redefined actually mean? It means we're breaking the mold. It's a space where emotional healing meets mindset work, creativity, and innovative tools, all designed to help you thrive beyond sobriety. It's for that woman who's sober but still feels stuck, the one doing all the right things, yet peace still feels out of reach. It's for the woman who wants to laugh again, play again, feel again, and build a life she loves, sober, strong, and unapologetically herself. My approach does not replace your recovery program. It enhances it. I combine my faith, resilience, creativity, and real life grit to help you stay grounded when life gets loud. Reignite your motivation when old habits whisper. Protect your peace and your boundaries without guilt, and help you find pure joy in your new sober life. That is Recovery Coaching Redefined. It's recovery with heart, humor, honesty, and hope. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been walking this path a while, but you still feel a little lost, I see you. And if you're ready to live boldly, rebuild beautifully, and rise stronger than ever, you have found your tribe. I am here to give you truth, tools, and a safe sisterhood to just be. Every week, I'm going to be dropping new videos to help you navigate recovery, reset your mindset, and rediscover the power with a side of humor and a whole lot of heart, because sober doesn't mean serious. It means freedom. And I want you to know that I just created a brand new community. It's called Rise and Shine Sober Sisters. My goal is to build the largest, most empowering, real talk, sober sisterhood out there, and I want to have fun doing it. So hit subscribe, turn on your notifications, and join me on this recovery journey, because recovery is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your next chapter, and we're going to have the best time doing this together. I'm Lesli Etzel, and this is Recovery Coaching Redefined, where we rise, recover, and shine together. And listen, if someone once walked away and left you for dead, that's what happened to me, this is your moment to show them that not only did you survive, you beat addiction. You built a life you love, and you are surrounded by women who actually give a damn. Addiction is the hardest thing to survive, and now it's your greatest accomplishment. So stand tall, hold your head high, and surround yourself with women who rise just like you. We're going to do this together. Let's come together, pull this sisterhood in, and build the largest sober sister that the world has ever seen.